Good evening. Today we will be learning about the Java codes, Java topic of inheritance. In inheritance, basically we have the concept of extents in which two classes will combine. There will be a derived class and a base class. The derived class will the that derived class will be the parent, and the base class will be that derived class will be its child, and the base class will be its parent. Now we'll be looking into four different questions to know the topic of inheritance. Our first question: we have a class animal and a wild walk. So we have to view our output as I am walking, I am flying, and I am singing. So now let us look at. I have performed the code before. So now let us look at the result. As you can see at the result, I have given a class bird which extends animal with a word fly, and I am flying and I am singing. Since we have given the I am I am walking in the animal class, even it has been printed as the bird it, as it went to the bird. So now let us look at the second inheritance code which we have to perform. So as you can see in the second inheritance code, we we have we have a class named as arithmetic with a method named add that takes two integers as parameters and returns an integer denoting the sum. Our input format will be two integer parameters, and the output will be superclass as arithmetic and the digits which we give. As you can see for the result, I have given a class arithmetic and int c and an add for a and b, and then I have extended the class for adder. So this is how the inheritance is done. Now let us look at some live examples. As you can see, we have done two codes. The first one, the first one is about a cake in which in this question we'll be performing as two classes of ordered cake and ready-made cake and give the functions. As you can see, I have given the name rate for the cake. I have given my getters and setters, and for the child class of order cake, I have given the name, rate, and weight, and the same getters and setters, and even the price. And for the ready-made cake, I have given the name, rate, and quantity this time. And even the rate based on the quantity, but not the weight. As you can see in my main program, I have given an array for four cakes and an if condition to enter the details of the ordered cake and the ready-made cake, and then to print the cake's calculated price, rate, and the highest. Now let me run this code. As I open my console, now let me enter the data. As you can see, I'm entering the data. Now we have finished two order cake data. Now we will get the ready-made cake data. So let us enter the data. I'm giving the rate and now the quantity, and then the name, the rate, and the quantity. As you can see now, based on the conditions which I have given, I have got the total ordered cake price and the ready-made cake price, and even the the details and the highest price who has got the cake. Now let us look at the other code. This code is about the movie theaters. We'll be we will be giving a parent code as book my show, and then our child code will be two different theaters. As you can see, I have given in my code book my show, I have given the movie name, the theater name, number of tickets, and the cost, and I have implemented the getters and setters and the output statements for book ticket. As you can see, the two theaters which I have taken, for the first theater I have given the seat availability conditions and the book ticket, and even for the other theater I have given the same conditions. And in my main class I have given the conditions to select. I have given a menu driven condition to select the the theaters and to enter the conditions of our book ticket and check seat availability. Now, as I run this code, you can see we have got the theaters. So let me book a ticket. And since for this theater I have given the total number of seat tickets as 150. Now let me give 150 once, and then if I check for seat availability, you can see there are no seats available since the maximum quantity of tickets available in this theater is 150. So this is how the process of inheritance in Java works.